Fight age-related muscle loss. 9 foods to preserve strength. Imagine Grandma June struggling to stand up from her chair one morning. The culprit: sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss that steals strength slowly but surely. Millions of seniors face this silent thief of vitality, making tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries harder over time. But there's hopeful news. Research shows the right foods can help slow or even reverse this trend. By eating strategically, we can fuel our muscles to stay strong. The silent thief: understanding sarcopenia. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, about 3–5% each decade after age 30. By our 60s and beyond, many of us feel weaker and tire faster. Sarcopenia raises the risk of falls, fractures, and even illnesses like diabetes. That's why keeping muscles healthy is vital for independence and quality of life as we get older. Recent studies highlight that older adults may need more protein than younger people to preserve lean muscle. Experts now recommend about 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal to trigger muscle repair and growth. Combine that protein with vitamin-rich fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, and you're giving your body the tools to rebuild. In short, eating well becomes as important as exercise for aging bodies. 9 foods to rebuild and protect muscle. Let's dive into 9 powerhouse foods you can add to your plate today. Each one brings crucial nutrients for muscle health in a natural, tasty form. Eggs. Nature's perfect protein package. A large egg has about 6 grams of high-quality protein and plenty of leucine to signal muscle growth. Eggs also contain vitamin D in the yolk, supporting muscle and bone strength. Try a veggie omelet or scramble. It's an easy, filling breakfast to kickstart your day. Fatty fish. These fish do double duty with protein and healthy omega-3 fats. The protein repairs and rebuilds muscle fibers, while omega-3s reduce inflammation and improve muscle cell health. Fatty fish also provide vitamin D and iron, important for energy and muscle function. Grill a salmon fillet or toss tuna into a salad for a delicious, muscle-friendly dinner. Greek yogurt. Creamy and tangy, Greek yogurt is ideal for older adults. Each cup packs 15 to 20 grams of protein, much more than regular yogurt, plus calcium and probiotics, which support bone health and digestion. Top yogurt with berries and nuts for added antioxidants and muscle-building fuel. Chicken. A simple staple, lean chicken breast offers loads of muscle-building protein with very little fat. A 3-ounce portion has about 25 grams of protein. Chicken is versatile: grilled, baked, or in soup, making it easy to fit into any meal. Pair it with whole grains or veggies for a well-rounded, muscle-nourishing dinner. Beans and lentils. Plant proteins are great too. Beans and lentils deliver protein along with fiber and nutrients. They have a bit less leucine than meat, but they still help keep protein intake high. For example, adding beans to chili or salads ensures you get steady protein throughout the day. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds. These small foods punch above their weight. A handful of nuts gives about 6 grams of protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. The fats from nuts help reduce inflammation and supply vitamin E and magnesium, supporting muscle recovery. Snack on mixed nuts. Stir seeds into oatmeal, or spread nut butter on whole grain toast for a quick, muscle-friendly bite. Spinach and leafy greens. Popeye was onto something. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are rich in nitrates and antioxidants. Nitrates help widen blood vessels, improving blood flow to working muscles, basically giving muscles a better fuel supply. Greens also provide vitamins C and K, iron, and calcium, all aiding muscle repair. Add spinach to omelets, smoothies, or salads for an easy strength boost. Beets. These bright vegetables are a superstar for muscle health. Beets naturally raise nitric oxide levels in your body, which boosts circulation and oxygen to muscles. Plus, They contain vitamin C and potassium. Try roasted beets or a bit of beet juice. Even a small daily serving can be a secret weapon against age-related weakness. Berries. Colorful berries are loaded with antioxidants that help muscle recovery. After exercise or daily wear and tear, muscles undergo oxidative stress. The antioxidants in berries fight this stress, reducing soreness and speeding repair. In fact, studies suggest regular berry consumption helps preserve muscle strength over time. Enjoy a handful of berries fresh or stirred into yogurt or oatmeal for a delicious strength boost. Building strength through diet and action. Eating these 9 foods consistently provides the nutrients your muscles need to stay strong. Remember to balance proteins with vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats each day. Also, staying hydrated and getting enough vitamin D will further support muscle and bone health. Along with diet, gentle strength exercises or regular walks are powerful allies. Experts emphasize that nutrition works best when paired with a bit of resistance training. But even on its own, a muscle-friendly diet can make a big difference. Research shows older adults who boost their protein and nutrient intake maintain strength much better than those who don't. Your turn. Which of these foods will you try this week? Maybe a spinach omelet or a berry smoothie? Let us know in the comments below. Sharing tips helps us all. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who cares about healthy aging, and hit subscribe so you don't miss our future tips. Together, we can fight sarcopenia one meal at a time. Stay strong, eat well, and see you next time.